Imagine shaving a minute off your best mile time, benching 10 more pounds than your max, turning 5% body fat into 5% lean muscle. If any of that sounds exciting, get ready for measurable results from your Isagenix Energy and Performance System. The Isagenix Energy and Performance System is your arsenal for transforming your body into peak athletic performance, whether you're one of the dozens of professional athletes who use our products or you're an everyday athlete trying to improve your fitness. This system supports the pillars of Isagenix Health, which are energy and performance, healthy aging, weight loss, and skincare, designed to help you maximize your goals. Now that you received your energy and performance system, it's time to explore all the benefits of the products inside. You'll find one package each of our Isagenix Shake and Isagenix Pro Shake. Not only are these the most nutritious, protein-packed meal replacements you'll ever drink, they're also really delicious. Let's go over the Isagenix Shake first. This complete 240-calorie meal replacement comes in a variety of tasty flavors. Each shake features our exclusive Myo-Isagenix complex, which is packed with 24 grams of undenatured whey and milk protein from cows not treated with hormones or routine antibiotics, plus low glycemic carbohydrates and healthy fats. Our dairy-free shakes features 22 grams of pea and hemp protein. Shakes may be used as meal replacements or right after a workout to support lean muscle growth. To make a shake, simply blend 1 packet or 2 scoops of the shake with 8 ounces of purified water or 8 ounces of your desired combination of water and ice for about 30 to 60 seconds until the shake is creamy and smooth. The naturally occurring branched-chain amino acids in the shakes are essential nutrients that support muscle tissue synthesis and support fat loss goals. The shakes also feature 8 grams of dietary fiber to keep you feeling full longer. You also have a package of Isagenix Pro Shake in your energy and performance system. The Isagenix Pro Shakes are 280-calorie meal replacements and come with 12 extra grams of protein for a total of 36 grams of protein per serving. They're perfect for those who want to overcome weight loss plateaus. You'll find a canister of Isopro Vanilla Whey Protein in your pack. Each serving of the protein supplement comes with 18 grams of protein. Add 1 scoop of Isopro to 1.5 scoops of Isagenix Shake for an extra protein boost, or mix Isopro with 4 to 6 ounces of cold, purified water on its own, whenever you want a protein punch. You'll see a box of E+ Natural Balanced Energy Shots, which provide a flavorful energy boost with a scientifically supported blend of botanicals. E+ is formulated to help you feel refreshed, energized, and mentally alert. These shots are only 35 calories per serving and are perfect to take before a workout or during the day for extra energy. You'll also find a pack of Ageless Essential Daily Pack for men or women in your system. This 30-day supply of supplements includes calcium and vitamin D for bone health, CoQ10 for cellular energy, and resveratrol for supreme cardiovascular and youthful aging benefits. The supplements come in convenient day and night packets, so they're easily organized and ensure you get the vitamins and minerals you need. You may have also ordered Product B Isagenesis as additional supplements. Product B is a revolutionary blend of complex botanicals and minerals uniquely designed to offer support for your telomeres. Telomeres are protective cells at the ends of our DNA strands, just like protective caps at the ends of a shoelace. As we age, those telomeres shorten, leading to tissue breakdown later in life. Product B is specifically engineered to help support the body against factors that lead to accelerated telomere shortening. Next up in your pack is Isagenix Supreme, a daily tonic to combat stress and keep you running at your peak performance. Isagenix Supreme is filled with adaptogens, which are botanicals that enhance resistance to stress, and antioxidants perfect to drink before your workouts. Isagenix Supreme comes in liquid or powder form. You'll stir 1 stick or 1 scoop from the canister into 6 ounces of room temperature purified water. If you have the liquid, drink a 1 to 2 ounce serving on its own, or mix with your desired amount of warm or cold purified water. Next, you'll find Want More Energy, a refreshing and delicious natural drink powder that rehydrates and helps replenish nutrients and electrolytes, which help your body generate fuel. After you exercise, your body craves vitamin C and B and electrolytes lost during activity. Mix 1 scoop or 1/2 a packet with 8 ounces of purified water and drink before, during, and after your workouts to make sure you fully recover. Finally, your system comes with muscle builders disguised as treats, the crave-worthy Isagenix bars. These mouth-watering, convenient meal replacements are 260 calories or less and come with 18 grams of high-quality protein per serving with undenatured whey and milk protein from hormone-free cows. These meal replacement bars offer the same low glycemic, energy-boosting carbohydrates and healthy fats as your shakes. Like all Isagenix systems, the Energy and Performance System contains products that work together synergistically to help you achieve optimal fitness results. You'll also want to be mindful to keep all that great nutrition working at its best by stocking up on healthy fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to round out the rest of your diet. Drink half your body weight in ounces of purified water spread throughout the day, or at least 10 to 12 glasses for most people to ensure you stay hydrated. Refer to your system guide for more tips and information about the effective products in your Energy and Performance System. Head to isaproduct.com to learn more about the products and read success stories to keep you motivated. Since you'll love the results you see, keep in mind you can sign up for auto ship rewards and we'll send the system to you monthly automatically. And consider adding our Rejuvenate skincare system to get glowing skin too. Congratulations on making the decision to deliver your body fantastic fitness results with the Isagenix Energy and Performance System. Stay on track with the items in your Energy and Performance System and get ready to cross the finish line to the healthiest you've ever seen.